is a good look. Big
Pass be man, pass in a can't see you, keep up. Pass in the mark, X-Park in a big M badge, uptown killer.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So right now we on our way to a car meet. It's like probably like a ride along thing, but we're going to the car meet. We're going to the final destination that they're at right now, because they did a ride out or a drive out, you can say. But yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get it, man. Okay guys, so far I took off the front splitter right there, the middle piece, because this side over here was broken, so I only had like this piece over here, so I just took everything off and leave those. But it's kind of dirty right now, but that's how we're rocking it, man. And if y'all didn't see the video when I put in these bucket seats, make sure y'all go and check it out, and let me know down in the comment section if you guys like the bucket seat, man. I know y'all didn't expect this color combo, but I kinda like it. So we waited on the boys to pull up, and then we're gonna move out to the car meet. Okay guys, so everybody's here right now. We're about to roll out. Got my boy right there. So we just got to the meet, just like a little park and chill. M5, yeah.